So I got a couple of Anker products here, and the first one I want to show you is this little mini charger with a screen. And this is a fast charge. You can see on the back here, 45-watt fast charge smart display with a 180 foldable end to it here. So this is the plug itself, matte finish, a very nice screen on the front, which will display different information. You've got the Anker branding up top here, and you can see that it's almost in a clear. Now, the cool thing here, like I said, is that it has a plug that folds away for great portability, but you can also flip it out like this, or even like this, depending on what type of plug or power bar you're going to be using with this charging. So there's USB-C here, and you have a little button up top. This is your controls, because this has a lot of information that it's going to show you. So just decide the way you want to plug this thing in. For this video, I'm going to go with this direction here, just so that my charging port is up and I have the button up top as well. But even plugged in, you can always flip it. If it's the wrong way, you can flip it downwards. If you needed to plug it in like this, totally up to you and your choice. So you get a cool little screensaver when it's plugged in and nothing is plugged into it. But obviously you want to be charging something, so grab a USB-C cable here, plug one end in, and I'm going to plug up my iPhone 17 Pro here. And what's cool about this charger is when you plug something up, it knows right off the bat, iPhone 17 Pro, a steady 35-watt fast charge. So because it is the 17 Pro, we're going to get the max speeds for it. If you have an older phone or an iPhone Air or something, you might get 20 watts depending on what it can do. You can also see a percentage here on the screen, which is great. That way you know your percentage of your phone's battery as it's charging without having to pick it up. Now, the button up top works simply. You just press it once to move between the different sections. And the second one says breezing. This is letting you know the temperature, which is very important. Fast charging will heat things up. You want to make sure you're cool as possible. And you can see we're cool right now. And we'll press it again here, and you have auto and care. So auto is going to give you the best or fastest charges during the times. If we double tap, it'll move to care. It'll reboot itself here and switch over to its care, and you can see we're getting a gentle now 19-watt charge in this case for the iPhone 17 Pro. You might see lower numbers depending on what phone you have. But traditionally, I like to leave it on auto just to get the max speeds fast. And with fast charging, iPhones, they, I believe, charge to 30% or 50% on fast charge. After that, they don't allow it. That's just an iPhone thing. And we'll move to the next screen again here. So after we select our modes, you have a screen timeout. So 1 minute, 5 minutes, totally up to you. But you're getting all that information on this little device here. And a little cool thing that it has is these different screensavers. So if you have nothing plugged up to it, you'll see it playing baseball or giving you little notifications or wearing a hat. It does different things, kind of like your little companion here. Fortune cookie, fun ahead. There you go. But what it all comes down to is if something like this is useful for you, and in my opinion, everybody needs something like this, a fast charging device that works and is portable. When you're on the go, you don't need anything big and clunky, and this is a very portable little cube rather than those bigger ones. And you also get some fun here and some functionality that you're not going to find on many other charging blocks. So if you're in the market for a charging block, a fast charging block, this is the one I recommend. I'll put some links in the description so you can check it out for yourself. This is the Anker Nano charger, and it does a lot. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell notification box so you're notified when I post new videos, and I'll see you in the next one.